Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will perform basic arithmetic operation or operations or math operations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication using Ruby programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so I am using online GDB for compiling my Ruby program. So we have here several comments and then puts title of our program, basic math operations in Ruby. Give first value, second value. So here we have val1, val2, val2i, convert to integer format, and then assignment statement sum, open and close parenthesis, val1 plus val2 to get the sum. For the difference, we have here assignment statement difference, open and close parenthesis, val1 minus val2, product, open and close parenthesis, val1 multiply by val2, quotient, val1 divide by over val2. So this is the input, this is the process, and we have here the display. So we have here the result, display the result. The sum of val1 and val2 is sum. The difference between val1 and val2 is difference. The product of val1 val2 is product. The quotient between val1 val2 is quotient, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended puts. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us run our code so that we can see the output or the result. So basic math operations in Ruby, give first value, let's say we have 30. Let's say second value we have 2. So the sum of 30 into is 32. The difference between 30 into is 28. The product of 30 and 2 is 60. The quotient between 30 and 2 is 15. And a program. Another run of our program. Okay, let us stop first and then run. Wait for a while. There are some error on the connection. Okay, basic math operations in Ruby, give first value, let's say we have 12. Second value we have 4. So the sum of 12 and 4 is 16. The difference between 12 and 4 is 8. The product between 12 and 4 is 48, and then the quotient between 12 and 4 is 3, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about basic math operations in Ruby programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. You may click also the notification bell in this video description so that you can notified with the newly uploaded video, and don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You can join me also to support my channel. Thank you so much in advance. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.